Hey everybody, in this example we are going to factor a trinomial. This particular one is a quadratic trinomial, form of ax squared plus bx plus c, where the a is equal to 1, and these are ideal. We like these because they're kind of the easiest of the quadratic trinomials because there's a little bit less risk involved. So let's get into it. So if we were to do this example the way we do AC method with grouping, we would say a times c, which is 1 times negative 36, equals, well, negative 36. Not really anything too crazy right there. Then I'm not trying to be a hero. I go in order. 1, 2, 3 down the list. Now you might think, why am I going to do that? I'm going to go forever. I'm just going to jump all over the place. You can stop finding pairs of factors, factor pairs, sets of 2. You can stop once you reach the square root of the number because that is the end of the line. All the numbers that will be larger than the square root have already matched up with all the numbers smaller than the square root. So since the square root of 36 is 6, we really only have to check 6 numbers. So don't be a crybaby. We got this, okay? So 2 times 18. And if you don't know by now that 2 times 18 is 36, then make yourself a flashcard right now. Stop what you're doing, press pause, and go do that. And maybe while you're at it, do 16 times 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? I'll wait. Did you do it? Okay. 3 times 12. Oh, you should know your 12 times tables too, guys. 4 times 9. 5 doesn't go. And 6 times 6. There we have it, bottom of the list. And B for bottom, is equal to negative 5. So we look through and we say to ourselves, like, what pair of numbers on this list multiplies to give me negative 36? That means one of the two numbers is going to be negative, and adds to give me a negative. That means the larger absolute value will be the negative. Well, that doesn't give me 5. No. There it is. That means it's positive 4 and negative 9. Now, if you are used to doing this with AC method and grouping, then you're probably accustomed to splitting your middle term. So plus 4, you'll give it an x since it's a 5x. If it was a 5x to the 3, you would give it 4x to the 3 and then minus 9x to the 3, right? But since it's to the first, invisible 1, you don't need to write it, we also make it invisible 1. So what's that mean? X squared plus 4x minus 9x minus 36. I'm going to do it the shorter way in a second. What is your greatest common factor? We're doing some grouping. This is x and negative 9. If we divide out an x, we have to multiply by it. If we divide out a 9, we should multiply by it, or negative 9 rather. Reduce pretzel style. X plus 4. X plus 4. These x plus 4s represent our super greatest common factor. I'm going to pull that out front. I'm going to undistribute that. And what is left is x minus 9. However, when a equals 1, only when a equals 1, right? In ax squared plus bx plus c, okay, we can take the plus 4 and the minus 9, and instead of doing all that jazz, x plus 4 and x minus 9. Wow, we're so smart. All right, when in doubt, FOIL it out. FOIL it back out. Make sure you get back the original problem. Don't try to be too cool. Getting the right answer makes you cool. If you are smart and get it and don't think you need more videos like this one because you're like, we got this, don't be silly, put thumbs up. If you are riding the struggle bus, put thumbs down. Click through for the next example. This was a factoring and expression example, not a solving an equation. Those are different things. And I hope you feel better about your algebra ability. Adios.